Alright, in my last video, I talked about how you can easily convert an AI avatar into a talking video or any portrait photo of yourself. Now, in that video also, I mentioned how you can easily create your own AI avatar using Canva, then take it down to Studio DID with your script and convert it into a talking video. Now, this video right here is the extension of that particular video. And in this video today, I'll be showing you how you can edit the video you download from Studio DID to remove the watermark of Studio DID from that video and add a subtitle to the video to make it more engaging before you post it on your social media platform. Now, if you are yet to watch the part 1 of this video, I will suggest you go and watch it right now because that video will show you everything you need to know about converting an AI avatar into a talking video. Now, I'll be dropping the link to the video in the description or anywhere around this video. Just check anywhere around this video or the description below. You're going to find a link to the part 1 of this video. Right now, I'm going to take you into my mobile phone right now to my CapCut and show you how you can do this from beginning to the end. So right now I am on CapCut, and the first thing I want to do right now is to import the video that I downloaded from Studio DID. So I'm going to click on new project right here, and I'm going to select the video. This is the video right now. Then I'm going to add the video to my timeline. So I'm going to wait for the CapCut to load your video. Now the first thing I want to do right now is to add my subtitle, then edit the subtitle. After that, I'm going to show you how you can add your logo, how you can add some special effect, and lastly how you can remove the Studio DID logo from this video before you export it to a social media platform. So to add your subtitle, the first thing you want to do is to click on text right here. So you're going to see auto caption right now. So here we have many options right here. The first thing is the original sound. That is the original sound of the video. So you want the auto caption to pick the captions of the original sound of the video. So right here we have the language. So you're going to select the language of your video. So if you use any other language in your video, you're going to come here to select the language you use in your video. Then I'm going to select English language. Then you come back to this option right here. You're going to select identify filter words. So if you have any filter words in that video or any pauses, so this auto caption is going to detect those words and add the caption to your video. Then you're going to come here to clear current subtitle. If there's any subtitle in that video before, so you can select to clear the current subtitle. Then you click on start. So right now we have our subtitle. So we can see right here, this is the subtitle. We can see it has been added to our video right now. So the next thing we want to do right now is to edit our subtitle so that it will show out, it will come out very well out of the background, because we can see right now the subtitle is white and the background of the video is white. So you want to edit the subtitle to show out very well in the video. So you select any of the subtitle. You can select this one, you can select this one. So I'm going to select this one. So I want to edit the subtitle right now. So you click on style. So on style right here, you want to select the color, the effect, the animation of the subtitle. So the first thing I want to do right now is to select the font. So I like to use one particular font, and that font is Gotham. So I'm going to go for Gotham right now, but you can select any other font you want. So I'm going to go for Gotham, or I normally use Oliver as well, so I'm going to go for Oliver instead. So the next thing you want to do right now is to come over to style. Then you want to adjust the size of the text. All right, so you can put it forward or you can drag it to the back. All right, so just make sure you are satisfied with what you are looking for. Then the next thing you want to do right now is the opacity. If you want the text to be transparent, you can drag this one downward or you move this one upward. So we have what we want right now. So the next thing we want to do is to select the color of our text, and right here we have some pre-text color right here, or you can select your own custom color if you like any one of these. So you're going to select any one of these. So I'm going to go for this because this one right now makes the text come out of the video because of the background. So if you want to change the color of anything right here, you want to change the color of that yellow to any other color, just select any other color. It's going to change the color. And if you want to change the color of the outline, you come over to stroke. So that's the color of the outline. So you come over to stroke and you select any other color. You can see right now it has changed the color to any other color. So but I'm going to stick with black. All right, so you want to add glow to your text. You want your text to glow, so you come over to glow, you select glow, then you select the color you want the glow to be. So you can select the intensity of the glow. All right, so now for canvas is when your subtitle has background. So you come over to canvas, then select any of these two. So this one we go with the text, and this one is the other one that has round edges. All right, so you select your canvas, then you want to edit your canvas. All right, so you want to select the transparency of the background of the canvas. So you select it, you can drag it upward or downward. So I want to leave it around this place. I don't want it to be too pronounced. So you can select the corner radius of your canvas. So you can move this one downward. So you can see the edges right now it is changing. So you move it downward until you are satisfied. So I normally leave my own around this place. So you come over to the height of the canvas. So you can select the height, you can improve the height, or you can reduce the height. So I'm going to leave it around here. So, and the width, that is the width of the canvas. So you can move it downward or you can move it around there. So I leave my own around this place. Then that is all. So if you want to change the color of the canvas, you can select any color depending on what you want to achieve. So but right now I'm going to click this one. Let me select this color. So that is how to add your canvas. You want to add background. Then if you want to add shadow to your subtitle, you come over to shadow as well. So you can select any color you want. So for the shadow to come out, we are going to remove the canvas. So you come back to shadow again. So you can select the opacity of the shadow. Then you can select the blur of the shadow as well. Then you can select the distance of the shadow. Then the distance as well. So you can see the effect right now. You can see it right now, it is being moved. So let me change the color to black. So you can see it right now how the shadow is moving. So you can see it right now. So that's how you edit the shadow. But right now I'm going to remove the shadow, and here on spacing you want to edit the spacing of your subtitle. So you can move it, you can take it to the left alignment, you can go over to right alignment or come over to center alignment. So I normally like center alignment. So right here you may want to go over to this, or try this, or try this. Then that is all. So you've done editing your text. So you can add bold, you can bold your text, you can bold it, or you can italic, or you can underline it as well, depending on what you want to achieve. So I'm going to go back to canvas and add my canvas like I did earlier. So I'm going to change the color to this color right here. So then the height, I'm going to reduce it. Then I'm going to reduce the height as well, then reduce the width. So I am done editing my subtitle. So let me change the color of the subtitle right now. I'll come over to style. I want to change the color to another color, a yellow color. So come over to text, you change the color to yellow so it can come out better. So the next thing you want to do right now is to move this thing down here. So don't move it down too much because we want to remove the logo right now. We are going to remove the logo, so we are not going to cut out the subtitle. So we are done editing our subtitle right now. So you click on select, you click on OK. So there's one thing I failed to mention on the subtitle. So you can, if you want to edit only one part of your subtitle, so you want this one to have another color and you want this one to have another color, you can do that as well. So you just come over here to select this one and select text. So you select the color you want. Let's say I want this color right here. So you are going to select this one right here. You are going to uncheck this apply to auto captions, right? So you are going to unselect it. So it's going to apply this thing only to this part of this text you selected. So you can see this one has another color while this one has another color. So you can do this for all the rest of the video depending on what you want to achieve. So you can basically add different color to your video. So you can see right now this one has another color. So the next thing we want to do right now is to edit our video by adding animation and some transitions. All right, so to add animation to your video, you select the video, then you come over to animation right here. That's the first thing you are going to see on this timeline. So you can scroll to select any kind of animation you want from the intro, and we have the intro, we have the outro, and we have the combo. All right, so for the intro, this is how your video is going to enter into the play. All right, so for the outro, this is how your video is going to end depending on which of the part of the clip you selected. Then for combo, this video is going to keep displaying this until the video ends. So we want only intro and outro right now. For intro, we want to select any one of these, so you can select any one of these, but I normally like to go for this shake 3. All right, so I select my intro right now. So you select the animation once again, you come over to outro, then you select anyone. So I'm going to select this one. You can adjust the duration of the intro, how you want it to end, and the outro, how
access
you
or
want it to
premium
start.
content.
So once you
How to
select that, you click
monetize
on
YouTube
OK.
channel.
Then you start playing
How
your
to
video. You can
monetize
see how
YouTube
it
channel.
starts right now, very slow.
There
So
is no
if you think it is too slow, you can select it again, come over to animation again and reduce this intro. All right, so
how
you
to
reduce it
monetize YouTube channel.
depending on how you want it to be fast or how slow you want it. So once you are
How
done
to
with that, you
monetize
click on select and you
monetize
select that. So you can see our outro as well. So this is how the
how
video
to
is going
monetize
to end. Let's go back.
such
So
as
let's play it
membership
from here.
access or
This is how the video is going to end. You
premium
can see the
content.
outro right now, how it is. So that is how you do your intro and your outro. Now if you want to add transition to your video, that transition is going to be in between your videos. All right, so you want to add transition to your video right now. So you select the video, you move to the place where you want to add the transition. So let's say I want to add my transition right here. Then you are going to split the video. Once you split the video, then you click outside of the timeline, then you move this one right here, then you select on this icon right now. That is where you want to add your transition. So I'm going to do it again in another part of the video. So you come over here to select any kind of transition you want. We have different kind of transition right here. You can see all of them, they are displaying for you right now. So I'm going to go for the camera part. I'm going to select this one that comes left. So once you select that, you click on OK.
However,
You can even adjust the duration of how fast you want it or how slow you want it. So I want it very slow, so you select it and you click on OK.
however,
So you can see it right now, very fast. You can see the transition how
however,
it moves. So
some
I'm going to add it once again to the part of this video so that it can be easy for you to do. So I'm going to move right here again. I want to add it right here. So you select this one once again and you click on split. Then you click outside of the video, then you move this one, then you select this icon to add your transition. So I'm going to select this one again and move left. So I'm going to adjust this one and lower it to make it faster. So you
advertising
select
and
OK. So
charging
that is how you add your
creating and
transition and your animation to your video. So the next thing we want to add right now is the sound. If you want to add some special sound effect to your animation, so we are going to be adding our sound effect to where we add our transition and the first transition and the second transition, or even the beginning of the video. So you select audio, then you come over to effect. So I have some effect right here. You are going to come over to transition effect. So this is where we have most of the transition effect. We have the switch, we have the switch. So we're going to add this one right now to the beginning of the video. So and we're going to come over here to this transition again, the first transition. So we're going to add another sound effect right here. I'm going to select anyone. So depending on what you want to do, you can select anyone. So I'm just going to pick any of this sound right now because this is a tutorial video. So I'm going to select this one. So you can even adjust the length of the effect. So I want to reduce this one right here. So I'm going to go to the last transition, then come over back here to effect, then I'm going to select another sound transition. So I'm going to select whoosh with echo. So you select it, then once you have it, you can even adjust it. For the sound effect, you can reduce the volume as well. If you think the volume is too loud, it's louder than the video, so you can select the effect and click on volume and reduce the volume. All right, so that's how you reduce your volume.
advertising.
Then you can add. So once you add your sound, then you are going to play the video right now, so you hear the sound of the video of everything we added.
How to monetize YouTube channel. There is no one definitive answer to this question, as the best way to monetize a YouTube channel will vary depending on the content and audience of the channel. However, some popular methods for monetizing a YouTube channel include creating and selling merchandise, advertising, and charging for premium services such as membership access or premium content.
So
How
as you
to
can see right now,
monetize
we have everything ready. The next thing you want to do right now is if you want to add your social media handles, you want to add your name to the video, right, to make it more personal, right? So you can come over to text and click on add text. So you are going to type in your name. So I'm going to go for my name right now, learn with AOP. So I'm going to cancel this one. So you are going to select, once you add that, you're going to select the font. You add the font you want, then you add the style, you add the color and whatever you want, then you adjust it, then you put it where you want to put it. So I'm going to put it right here around the corner right here. So now we want to adjust the length, so you just come over to text and you drag it to the end of the video. Now the last thing I want to do right now is to remove the DID logo. So as you can see right now, we have the DID logo right here. So to do that, to remove the logo, you select the video, select your video and you come over to edit. So you come over to edit and you click on crop. All right, so we want to remove the Studio DID logo. So what you want to do right now is to move this one and move it up. You tap on it and hold it, then you move it up. So once you are done moving it up, so you can see it has been adjusted right now. So you come over here to select the ratio. You want to go for TikTok. So the TikTok is normally 9:16. So you select it and we have it right here. So you are going to adjust this once again. So you can move it down, you can drag it down to make sure you have everything ready. So we are okay with this one right now. So you click on select and you are okay. You can see the logo has been removed for all the part of the video right now. You can see the logo is being removed from all the part of the video. So now we are done editing our video. The next thing you want to do right now is just come over here to select the quality you want. You select the frame rate depending on what you want, then you start exporting your video. So this is how you can easily edit any video you download from Studio DID and remove the logo, then add your subtitle and upload it to your social media platform. Now that will be the end of the video for today. If you enjoy watching this video right now, go over to the comment section and type Studio DID tutorial. Now if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, go ahead right now and click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification, because I don't want you to miss out on my next content. Now thank you for watching today's video. I will see you in the next video.